My people, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on the place or location, the time this post gets to you. I want to tell you some things. There are some things we need to know about ourselves. There are things you don't need to tell anyone about yourself. There are some secrets that you need to keep. What are those secrets? Keep your private secrets. Don't tell your friends exactly every secret that you have. Make sure there is remaining secret in case. Why am I saying this? Somebody went to work and reached there, the manager name, the director name, the name of the place, he told another person everything. Before the person will go back tomorrow, that person have gone there and asked for the same employment, and the person was taken. Somebody want to marry, you have not married, you know quite all right your friend don't know that man that want to marry you. Don't tell that your friend all the secret about that person. Sometimes there are some secrets that you will tell the person, and that person don't supposed to know that secret that time. Don't tell that person the weakness of that your husband, the weakness of that your wife, because that person can use it against you. He can go to that person that you want to marry and tell that person that this is what my friend told me about you, and this one can stop you from getting married. A lot of people today have not gotten their blessing because they open up to their secrets. They say their secret when they supposed not to say it. The secret of your business, every secret of your business should not be, everybody should not know about it. Make sure there is still remaining secrets of your business that you are still having with you. In case, if this business is being given to you to handle and they give it to the other person, that person, you will still have something. You will still have something in your cupboard to bring out. What are you doing this year, 2025? Have you have some secrets to keep? Have you gotten some things that you need to have? Those secrets in your cupboard, make sure you don't open up. Those secrets of your family, you don't allow that man to know about it until when you marry. Let him hear it from other people. That secret about your wife family, about your husband's family, supposed not to be given out to people. What are we saying today? Let there be some secrets that is in your hand that will not leave your hand to another place, so that you will have reserve. Anytime that people comes to you, they will have something to get from you. Yes.